when you're drinking something and you feel something go down your throat that isn't water, something just went down my throat actually. Oh, I was trying to do a fun video. I'm gonna get there. I'm actually gonna post this.